I usually have these really stupid ideas, and this is one of them. But I'm at Wilson's Arch, and it's a rock formation. Guys, right behind me. I have to take my drone up there. I'm gonna go ahead and climb up there with my new hiking boots. This is gonna be a hike. But at least it's gonna get me prepared for tomorrow's hike. Are you ready to go to the park? I'm on my way to Southern California. I decided to go to the Grand Canyon in between contracts because I was in Colorado. Welcome to Utah. Just left Colorado. Say no to this. Real beef jerky, $20 a bag or 3 for $50. But I got it right there. Twilight Zone, Jackass Joe's. My favorite is peppered. I also got smoked pit. I didn't try the regular peppered. I tried honey peppered, and I really liked it. Wow, real beef jerky. Shout out to Glenwood Beef Jerky. You guys make really good jerky. Now I got beef jerky because I'm going into the canyon. From the south rim all the way down. And I might as well have something with a lot of protein. And something I can chew on here and there, you know?
2 very boring minutes later.
We just drove through this. Look at this. This is so cool. Oh, there's teepees over here. Why I'm doing this? Probably because of the drone shots. All the way up there. those views already. Instead of taking the hard one, I'm gonna take the easy one. No insurance right now. I'm in between contracts, so I have only 10 days on vacation. And usually by the 5th day, I hear something from Cobra saying, hey, we have you an offer for insurance between contracts. It's like, dude, where were you like 5 days before I ended my contract? Right there. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. And I'm not talking about the wind, I'm just talking about the view. Woo! That's crazy. Look at this. I'm gonna lose my hat again. This is where I want to set off. So worth it. So worth it. For some odd reason, I get nervous every time I set flight, especially the fact that I'm way up here. Yo, that was so much scarier than I thought it was gonna be, and I really wish I sat down for that, because that's why I didn't do no like crazy tricks in the air. Because once you take off, it's just like your legs and your knees start like shaking. Oh, that was so dope, and I landed right there. It didn't fall off, thank God. Just look at these views. One day I'll have a drone that actually can go all the way there and all the way back. Because mine could only like go halfway and back. And then I'd be out of juice. I need a 6 or a 7 inch. I literally just had a heart attack. I thought I left my GoPro at the top of the circle. And then I realized I walked down with it. It says 52 miles here, 1 hour, and that's exactly where I want to go, is a South Kaibab trailhead. So I'm just gonna go with this route because I have no other alternative, because I don't know anywhere around here.
1 hour later,
you guys can see I actually made it. I finally made it. I didn't think ever in my entire life I'd actually be on the switchbacks. Coming from the East Coast, never thought. And I never thought I'd be living van life. But everything in life happens for a reason.
Now let's get into the park. She rocketed up there. I was really surprised. With sandals. With sandals.
Flip-flops, that's
Flip-flops. Flip and flop.